evening. I am just cooking the I don't know what can I say, but anyway, so I am doing some clam bake style, steam style, whatever you want to call it. So surrounded by, you know, a pesticide-free fried tofu, organic eggplants. Okay, it's an easy recipes. So and then it's a mahi-mahi. Okay, and underneath is mahi-mahi as well. Yeah. So and then underneath I put a what was the extra virgin organic olive oil, organic ginger, organic cinnamon powder, organic garlic. Yeah, it's all grated. Okay, and then all I do is I am cooking with the vaporization style. So yeah, so anyway, I don't know what's the name of the dish, but it doesn't matter. Just a steam style mahi-mahi and organic veggies, I guess. Yeah. It looks ugly, but it tastes darn good, right? So, organic jalapeno pepper sauce, organic soy sauce. Okay, so you can taste best of everything. All right. Okay then. Oh. Now we have steamed mahi-mahi, freshly caught wild mahi-mahi with organic veggies, right? So eggplants and yeah, stuff like that. And I did not add any liquids. These liquids, you know, came from whatever you want to call it. You know, I'm not a teacher anyway. So from the veggies or the ingredients itself. Wonderful. So with further ado, let's get these babies out. So, all right, see what I can do. Yeah, you know, jalapeno peppers are not spicy at all. Don't misjudge the spiciness by the look. Okay, so here. Eggplant. I don't okay, relax, sir. Whole eggplant. Yeah, gotta eat big, you know. Yeah. Okay. And then yeah, fried tofu. Why not, right? Yeah. So I love using chopsticks. Yeah. I'm not even sure it's presentable or not, but it doesn't matter. Because nutrition, I prioritize on healthiest cooking methods. Yeah, not only presentations, right? It's a juice from itself. Whoa, la la, right? So there we have it. All right. Okay, so cheers. Woo. I only spent 10 minutes cooking this baby. Yeah. Oh, man. So delicious. Not fishy. Not too hot at all. See that? Wonderful. Good. Let's try the eggplant. See, it melts beautifully. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cheers. Good. If you have any chance getting some mahi-mahi and organic veggies like these, go for it. Yeah. So, all right, I do apologize eating in front of you like this because the chef's privilege. So, those of you enjoy, please subscribe and ring the bell. Okay? So cheers. God bless you all.